Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter code 4067. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter code 467, you should just go to settings like this. We click. After that, in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter and you will enter. Then in this page, you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.